sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 17th of June. I'm James Spann. Another very hot day coming up today. A few isolated storms this afternoon in advance of a front that will be bringing lower humidity values to the state over the weekend, which will be nice, but that will be also temporary. Let's take a look at the upper air pattern, and I think you know what's going to be found here, a strong upper high across the region. That's the reason it's been so hot lately. The center is shifting a little northwest of the state. That'll put us in a northwest flow aloft beginning later this afternoon and tonight, helping to pull down some drier air for the weekend. Had some overnight convection. That was the radar composite about 5 o'clock, and we had some dissipating showers around Birmingham and Jasper. Some folks had a decent downpour during the night, but most places were dry. Starting off the day, mostly in the 70s, highs back in the 90s again today. And once again, most of the state under a heat advisory. And if you're up in Jackson and DeKalb counties, you might not be in the advisory, but trust me, it'll be hot there too. And around the nation, heat issues up into parts of Missouri and Kansas. There's a severe weather outlook for today. The core risk will be a little east of here, but again, we have a slight risk in Alabama for areas east of a line from near Waterloo up in Lauderdale County down to about Selma, Troy, and Abbeville. And where the storms do form later today, they could be strong with a chance of strong straight-line winds, maybe some small hail. And then tomorrow we have a marginal risk down to the south in southwest Alabama. Places like Demopolis, Camden, Monroeville, Grove Hill. That's in advance of the surface boundary. The same thing, some of the storms there could produce some small hail, strong gusty winds. The northern half of the state will be in very dry air tomorrow. There's the larger view tomorrow across the country. And then day 3, which is Sunday, no organized severe weather expected across the country, and we will be in a very dry air mass. Could use a lot of rain here, but that's not going to happen in this pattern. This is rain through Friday morning of next week. And understand there could be a day or two with an isolated storm, but you get the idea. A lot of places will be dry. Tropics really quiet. The Gulf of Mexico, the Atlantic Basin. The one exception is that disturbance that's sitting on the coast of Central America that will be moving to the west. That will be dissipating inland, and that is no threat to the Gulf. And again, otherwise things are quiet. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. The upper high shifting a little north and west of here, and again, very hot, highs mid to upper 90s today, and a few isolated storms will likely pop this afternoon. That's the high-res NAM at 3 o'clock, and where those storms do form, they could produce some hail, strong straight-line winds, so be aware of that. This is wet microburst season. And then tomorrow, the northern half of the state in a dry air mass. Sunny, less humid, highs in the low 90s. Any storms over the southern half of the state, and again, where they do form, they could be strong there, but many places dry. Sunday, we're dry statewide. Sunny. Some folks could be in the 50s to start the day in the drier air. High Sunday, low 90s. There's the precipitable water. Notice the shades of blue and green across the state. That's that drier air that's dropped in. Monday, a sunny day, back in the mid-90s. Tuesday, very dry air, upper 90s, but the heat index won't be much of a factor next week because of the low dew points. And Wednesday will be close to 100. Hot, mostly sunny. A storm not out of the question, but probably not many. Same thing Thursday. Temperatures near 100. Only isolated storms. And a week from today, Friday the 24th, upper high in place, and it's the same old story. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 26th, 594 upper high, a little north of here, and that would open the door for any weak disturbances coming in from the east, but still, it's just old hot. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean under 1 inch between now and the 2nd of July. And here's a look at the heat from the NBM, National Blend of Models, showing we'll be close to 100 for the latter half of next week, otherwise highs mostly in the 90s. Any heat relief later this month? No. This is the outlook through June 30th. Temperatures above average, rain below average for the northern half of the state, near average for the south. Is that ridge persists. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.